Conrad Murray hugged Michael Jackson's crying children after they found out that their dad was dead. That is part of what we're going to hear from Murray's taped police interview when it's played in court today. Ryan Smith tells you what else to expect this week.
Good morning, Robin. Well, we're entering week 3 of the Conrad Murray trial, and as big as last week was with Dr. Conrad Murray's words being heard in court, that will continue today. But the prosecution has a lot to prove as they continue with their case. I wanted to bring in-session correspondent Beth Garris to talk about what we can expect this week in the Conrad Murray case. Okay, Beth, so what witnesses do we expect coming up?
Well, the medical examiner who performed the autopsy on Michael Jackson the day after he died, Dr. Rogers, is expected to testify maybe following the recorded statement as they finish that. And then there's going to be an expert in standard of care. He's an anesthesiologist who also is a pharmacologist. His name is Stephen Schaefer. He is the key witness for the prosecution in terms of the science, because the case now is moving into the science. The whole issue here is whether or not Michael Jackson gave himself the propofol, or is Conrad Murray responsible for giving it to him, or even if Michael took it himself, is Murray still responsible? So the science is going to tell a lot, and the jury is going to get a tutorial in propofol, metabolism of it, and all kinds of aspects of it. It's going to get very technical, but it's important.
Especially standard of care. And now, at the end of the day, do you expect the prosecution to wrap up its case this week?
I think the prosecution will wrap up by the end of the week, and then the defense case will go maybe by Friday, maybe next week. There could be a rebuttal case by the prosecution, too, depending upon what the defense does.
Okay, so big week here. We could see the prosecution finishing its case. So this is one you can't miss.
All right, Ryan, thank you. Don't miss a minute of today's action in the trial of Dr. Conrad Murray. Our live wall-to-wall coverage starts at 11 a.m. Eastern right here on HL.